You're welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about something very simple but yet powerful, the contact form. Why is it important or how does it work? Now, first of all, the contact form is your digital doorway to your clients, or is the digital doorway rather, to your clients, to your customers, and to your audience for them to be able to reach out to you directly. Now let's dive right straight into how it works, or why first it is important, and secondly how it works. The first reason why it's important is because it makes you accessible. Now people do not want to copy an email, open Gmail, and then compose some form of message. No. Having a contact form helps them reach out to you directly on the page. They send you a quick message, you receive it, and then they reach out to you directly on the page. So it makes you accessible. That's one. The second reason is it makes you look professional. Yes. Now, having a clean, clear, branded form tells your visitors, tells your audience that you are organized and that you are ready for business. It's more like, come, let's talk business. Right. The third one is it protects your email. Displaying your email publicly increases the chances of spam for you, and you wouldn't want that. So having a clear contact form helps you hide your email, and not just that, still ensuring that your clients, your audience, your visitors reach out to you. So the fourth one is you control the conversation with custom fields like your name, your email, what do you need help with, or budget range. And you can as well collect the exact info that you need before even the first reply. And then the fifth one under this session is it helps you stay organized. Messages submitted via forms often goes to your inbox and sometimes your CRM, already tagged or even categorized. And all of this helps you stay effective in terms of your follow-up. So that is why it is important, or those are why having a contact form for your website is important. Now let's go straight to how it works. So the first one under this is the visitors get to fill the form. So they enter their names, they enter their emails, they type in the message, and then they click on the submit button. That's the first step. The second one is the data is captured. Now, the form collects the imputed data and then sends it to the designated dashboard or email. The third one is you get notified. Now, you get notifications or alerts, instant notification alerts through your email or stored in a database like your Google Sheets, your Trello, or even a CRM. The fourth one is the thank you page or the message page. Now, after submission, your clients or visitors gets to see a thank you or get back to you shortly kind of message, creating a smooth experience. Now, a bonus tip to this is use spam filters or captures to block bots or fake submissions. So here is the deal. A simple contact form can boost your credibility, increase your leads, and streamline your communication without necessarily having to reveal your inbox to the world. You don't have one yet? Now is the time to add it. So do you want help in creating the perfect contact form? Drop a comment in the comment section or send a message. I'd be glad to help. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with and to someone that is building their website. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.